Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. I'm Akash Kotwal from LearnAakash, and today we are learning about CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. So let's have a look. So Cisco has divided it in three parts: Introduction to Network, Switching Network, and Wireless Essentials, Enterprise Networking, Security, and Automation. It's a version 7. It's the latest version of CCNA. So this course is divided in three parts: Introduction to Network, SRW, and ENSA. So we'll have a look at Introduction to Network. So in this unit, or we can say a chapter, there are some units. What is networking? Consists of LAN and WAN. Then we'll have a look to OSI model and TCP/IP model. Then data transfers and networking, the data encapsulation and something more, and network access. After that, Ethernet. After that, network layer, IP addressing, subnetting, transport layer, application layer, and finally we'll build a small network. So we're going to start today what is networking and some concepts of LAN and WAN. So let's have a look. What is networking? Networking is a simple thing. If any two computers or more than two computers are connected, it is a network, and in that network, if any data is exchanged, it is called networking. So you can have a look over here. So data are exchanging, and this is called the networking. So concepts of LAN and WAN, it means that any connection of two or more than computers in a small place or something like that, then it is called LAN. Suppose 2-3 computers connected in your house or in your office, it is called a LAN, and connections of more LANs are called WAN. 2 or more LANs are called WAN. So you can have a look here. This is a LAN connected in a small place or small office. You can have a look there at a small building. You can have a say anything like a small geographical place, and this is connected by internet all over the world, and this is called the WAN, wide area network. So our next topic is OSI model and TCP/IP model, which we'll learn in our next video. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.